Welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this yumicious popcorn. To be sincere with you, this is the easiest ever. Yes, do you know you can make popcorn with your pot? Yeah, and it will not burn. This is a perfect way to do that. If you're buying, be sure you have exactly this particular corn, this popcorn, not normal corn, please. This is a different species. Please make sure you get the correct corn. This is okay, just a little in your plate. Maybe just bring out a little. Why I'm bringing it out so that I will not pour everything into my pots when I'm set. At least let me have a little measurement. This sugar and this vegetable oil straight to my heat. Make sure you lower your heat, medium heat. You can see very low. Just dry your pot and you drop some few oil to it, and you stir around and you go ahead and pour in that corn for me. If you want, have you been making your popcorn and you notice it comes out burning? Today I have your solution, so just join this video to the end. Just add the popcorn, stir, and you allow it. Immediately it start popping, you please close up this pot for me. Yes, this is the little secret. If you don't want this popcorn to burn, this is the little secret. Don't add sugar, don't add anything, just the oil and the popcorn. Don't forget, low heat, not medium, not high, just low heat. Allow it. You can see it started popping very well. Allow it to pop all through, and that is that. Please, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome to Progressive Recipe. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do different pastries I know you will love. Just feel free to check around my channel, and I promise you will not regret it. I have a lot of more than 500 recipes I know you will love, so stick to my channel and I promise you will enjoy staying back. Okay, you can see the popcorn is popping purely neat. Yeah, after this we're going to try how to make a colored one. Yes, you can make your own colored popcorn in the comfort of your home. That is it. You can see popping. This is beautiful. Have you liked this video? Have you liked my video? Feel free to give me thumbs up, like this video, share to your friends and family. This is summertime, this is holiday time. Share with your family. Feel free to prepare this for your family, and I promise you they will thank you. Allow everything to pop. When you see that the popping is over or it has reduced very well, you can open and you spread your sugar generously as you wanted, and you cover. Stir. Popcorn is ready. You can see that beauty, looking so beautiful. And the beautiful part is no burning. Yes, this one, no burning. You will not see any. See, this is not a matter of non-stick pot. Yes, use any pot you want. I promise you it will not burn. If you follow this my recipe, if you follow exactly this my method, it will not burn. You see how pure, beautiful, whitish and lovely this popcorn is looking. You can also go in and sprinkle your milk generously, and you enjoy this popcorn with your family. Let's try the Polo popcorn I told you about. A little oil to your pot, and you please add food color for me. If you have liquid color, fine. If you had powdered color, good. Don't forget food color. If you need a food color, go to where they sell cake things. Yeah, this particular food color, I use it for baking, I use it for my buttercream, and I'm using it for popcorn. So you can get food color anywhere. If you don't really want the food color, you can use any other thing you want, but food color is the best. Yeah, food color is the best. Add in your popcorn, and you please turn for me. Allow it to heat a bit, and you shake it again. Like I said, add generously the color the way you want. I just want a tip, a little bit of that reddish color to it. I'm not a fan of much color in my food or in my eyes, and so I'm just adding just a little. So if you want it so reddish, please go in with more colors. Yeah, for this popcorn to be reddish in color, but I'm okay with this little color. Allow it to steam a bit and you stir. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it very well for me. Look at that. Can you see that? That is beautiful. Allow it now to start popping. Immediately it start popping, please cover this pot for me. Please cover the pot for me immediately and allow everything to pop beautiful and okay. Have you liked this video? Have you liked this video? Have you shared to your friends and family? Don't forget to check out my other video. If today is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipes. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do different pastries I know you will love. Be a part of this lovely family only by clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. Whenever I drop new video, you will get an alert. Subscription is free. That's the truth. Subscription is free just for you to be getting alerts of my new video. Whenever I drop new video, you will get an alert. Look at that. It is popping really beautiful. Like my video, don't forget to share with your family. Look at that, look at that, look at that. So allow it to pop and pop and pop and pop. When it's well popped, when you notice that the popping is over or everything has really stopped, just open it and you go in again with your sugar for me. Sprinkle your sugar the way you want. Feel free to sprinkle milk. Yes, if you have milk, not liquid milk, please sprinkle powdered milk. Shake it, shake it, shake it, and that is all. Off your heat. Popcorn is ready. Have you liked this video? Look at that. No burning. No burning. You can start popcorn business with this. You can start popcorn business with this recipe. You can start it. I assure you, you will not experience any burning. Everything is purely neat, beautiful and lovely, and I promise you your children will thank you. Look at that. Isn't this beautiful? Wow. Ooh. So beautiful, so lovely. So like this video if you have not liked it. Like. Give me thumbs up. Share to your friends and family. Let other people see this video. Look at that. Wow, this is looking so beautiful and lovely. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I love you. To my ODs, I love you so much. Thank you so much for tuning back today to watch my video. I love you guys. See you next time in my video. Bye.